Here's another linear inequality in two variables for which we want to graphically express the solution set. And the technique is to first of all express the graph of the equality. Express the graph of the equation. And we know that's going to be a line, because the graph of a linear equation in two variables, the graph of its solution set, creates a straight line. So let's get some solutions here that we can plot. Well, if I let x be 0, doesn't that term just become 0? And what would I have to take the opposite of to make positive 4? Wouldn't that make y negative 4? So that the opposite of negative 4 makes positive 4? Or another way to think about that, isn't that like a coefficient of negative 1? So I would have to divide both sides by negative 1, which would give me y equals negative 4. What if I let y be 0? See, I'm finding the intercepts. Remember, those are the intercepts. Those are the points where the line's going to cross the x and the y axis. Those are usually pretty easy points to find when your equation is in standard form. If y is 0, doesn't x have to be 2? And what about if, let's say x is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus what number makes 4? Wouldn't y have to be 2? If x was 3, 3 times 2 is 6, minus 2 is 4. And I've got 3 points that I can use to draw my line. So if x is 0, y is down here at negative 4. If x is 2, y is 0. And if x is 3, y is up here at 2. Now, do I want to make the line that I'm going to draw, do I want to make it solid or dashed? Since I also want the points that make 2x minus y equal to 4, I make the line solid. If it was that we only wanted the points that make it less than 4, we would make the line dashed. Remember, the solid line, oh, that was a really good line, wasn't it? The solid line are the points that make it equal, are the points that make 2x minus y equal to 4. And we want those points, so we make the line solid. Now, which side of the line contains the points that make 2x minus y less than 4? Again, the technique is to pick a point. And since the origin is not on my line, and it's an easy point to plug in, that's the point I'm going to take. So if I let x be 0, 2 times 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, and I create the statement 0 is less than or equal to 4 when I plug in the point 0, 0 into the inequality. Is that a true statement? Is 0 less than or equal to 4? Yes, that's a true statement. So this side of the line contains all of the points that make 2x minus y less than 4. The line contains the points that make 2x minus y equal to 4, and this is the graphic representation of the solution set of that linear inequality in two variables.